I'm going to show you on how to create your PDF into Anki Flashcards. But before we dive into PDF conversion, here are the tools we need to use to make an Anki flashcard. We're gonna need your PDF of course, and we must convert it into a CSV file by using ChatGPT because that is what Anki flashcards want for conversion. So, for example, I have my PDF file here, and the next thing I'm going to do is convert it into CSV file. As you can see that this file has a lot of text for manual flashcards conversion, so we need an application to do that. Once you already have your PDF file, we're going to be using the power of ChatGPT to do the CSV file. Just type convert my PDF file into CSV file. Add your PDF file from your computer. Once you have your CSV file, download and save it so that we can use it for the final step. And for the final step, open your downloaded Anki flashcard application and then import your CSV file. Once you get here, you can see that your file is ready for creating flashcards. You can check on how you would like your flashcards to be, and once you are satisfied with the setup, click the import button to generate flashcards. And here you go. You have now created your PDF into Anki flashcards.